Hello graphic designers, in this tutorial you will learn how to make this beautiful abstract twisted light fiber effect in Photoshop 2023. Before starting, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest tutorials. So let's start. For same effect like mine, create a new file. Follow these settings and click Create. Now drag your image. For this effect, images having lights in it will be perfect, but still you can use any picture. Adjust image and click OK. Next we are gonna add a lot of filters, but easy to use. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Go to Filter, Render, Fibers. Vibrance is 18 and strength is 8. Double-click on this effect to open blending options, change mode to hard light and click OK. Now go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Amount is 100 and select Zoom in Blur method. Again, add the same effect, just go to Filter and click the first option, or press Alt plus Ctrl plus F. Go to Filter, Distort, Twirl. Set angle to 100. Double-click to open this effect. Change blend mode to lighten. Again, add the same effect. But this time set angle to -100. Change blend mode to lighten. Now we will enhance the colors. Go to Adjustment Layer icon and open Brightness Contrast. Next, add color balance to change midtone colors. This step is optional if you want to change the colors. I hope you liked this tutorial. Give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.